I like that we're a fixture in the community here too, because everybody knows who we are, everybody knows where our plant is. Again, it's just special. There's something about it.
For me, I can look at an engine and I can say, we built this on this day. I can think back of all the people that touched it, maybe the issues we were dealing with at the time. We're basically turning the parts into a running engine.
The formula's got to be right for us to build it correct, right? So I try to talk to as much of the designers and the guys in corporate as I can, because just knowing what they're thinking and how they're trying to put it together is easier for us.
When I started at Briggs, there was a very small amount of people that even knew what EFI was. Coming in, being able to explain to some of the other technicians the ins and outs, the details, how it works, what it needs to do, what your end result needs to be. Tie in all of our assembly lines equipment with those EFI systems so that it's not just an operator looking to see. I would like to think that you're going to be hard-pressed to find a group of employees in the Auburn plant that care more somewhere else, and we're happy to see the results of it.
It's a sense of pride, right? Knowing that that's something you created or you had a part in, and we're all here to support it in a different way. So I'm sure all of us look at it a little differently, depending on what our job is, but I look at it and I think about all the people and processes that it had to go through to become what it is.
You got to want to be here. You got to enjoy this. We're fast-paced, right? So we're building an engine every 19 seconds off my line right now. I mean, that's fast, no matter what size engine it is.
It's very important to do a good job, but I would argue that it's more important to enjoy what you do. That adds to that passion, that adds to that quality of work. If you enjoy it, the result of your work is going to be even better.